Hey everyone, CryptClaw here.
I'm Vanessa.
We're here at Universal Studios at Hollywood. We haven't been here in forever. The last time we've been, it was like in Orlando. But we're gonna check out some Horror Nights updates from a distance. Try not to get in trouble by security like last time. Oh yeah. If you haven't listened to the podcast of the S.S.S podcast, link below on Spotify. We talk about the speculations and all that good stuff about Haunt. So we'll see you when we're in there. Bye.
Bye.
We're gonna go check out the first Mesa location, and honestly, this location is probably the first location we saw last year. You know, remember? Last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. But last year was the Bride of Frankenstein. This year, heavily rumored. I mean, it's kind of, I think, in a way obvious that is La Llorona.
Llorona.
Oh, Llorona. La Lana. All right. So yeah. So here's the facade. Second location. Two mazes actually. Two. So let's check a look around the cliff. Babe. The other maze is right there. The walls are up.
Where?
Waterworld Q. So that's what we can see here in the theme park. We're gonna check out at the Curious George parking lot. See those two mazes. Right now, we're at the garage parking area of Curious George. We're gonna try and make it to the back lot. Nah, we're just here at the first floor. I'm realizing that a lot of the mazes this year actually have a facade. Like last year, it was just like
Just the maze, just the
wallpaper. Like
Oh.
all that was cool was the book for Bride of Frankenstein.
Oh yeah, that was.
But for like for the Haunted Hill House, like it was just a wallpaper. So, but this time all of them literally has a facade, facade. You know, so their budget probably grew. So
Yeah.
just make more scare zones though. That'll make it better. Yeah.
They should have, like how I told you, they should have a Stranger Things.
That'd be
scare
cool.
zone.
Alright, so that's it for the vlog. We'll see you next time. Subscribe. Smash that like button. That's pretty much it, yeah. So, listen to the podcast in our CryptClaw. The CryptCast is coming out very soon. I'm gonna have an announcement very, very, very soon. Alright, see you guys. Bye.